Cabin crew are crucial first responders, responsible for passenger safety through extensive training in emergency procedures, medical, firefighting, evacuation, security, and crisis management, complementing the flight crew's role by managing the cabin, briefing passengers, and ensuring adherence to regulations to mitigate risks and save lives during incidents, making them essential for overall aviation safety. Key responsibilities and importance. First responders. Cabin crew are trained to handle medical emergencies, fires, and evacuations, acting as the first line of defense and potentially saving lives. Safety briefings. They conduct vital pre-flight safety demonstrations, ensuring passengers know emergency procedures and equipment locations. Emergency coordination. They work closely with the flight crew, communicating during emergencies to prepare the cabin and passengers effectively. Security and compliance. They monitor the cabin for security threats and ensure passengers follow safety rules, which is critical for preventing distractions during safety-sensitive situations. In essence, cabin crew are highly trained aviation professionals whose duties extend far beyond customer service, making them vital to the safe operation of every flight.